My name is Aisha. I'm 326 pounds and I'm still eating Halloween candy. And here's how. Instead of me eating all of my candy the first day that I got them, I literally have been eating like one candy every couple of days out of my bag until they're all gone. And I still have candy in the bag. Literally, I just have it sitting in the refrigerator. So nowadays, when I just want a cute little sweet treat, I go in my bag, I get the candy, I walk out the kitchen. Simple. And I'm about to have me some peanut M&Ms because they're so freaking good. If you're on a weight loss journey, you do not have to deprive yourself, deprive yourself of your favorites. You can just have them in moderation. That's it. That's the post.